Hello everyone friends on the Whaler channel. Today I will show you how to convert a Word document to PDF. That's why I'll go to any browser. It doesn't matter which browser you go to. Google Chrome, for example, right here, Word in PDF, and accordingly go to any site. For example, small PDF, a good file, is generally a good site. I used it more than once. Click Select File and select our Word file here. Here, I don't know if I have a Word file here at all. Even, for example, I'll make it now. That's it. Select the files. I select my Word document respectively, and I have downloaded, respectively, what I need. And now I click the download button on this particular site, and we got a PDF version, respectively, of this file. That's all. Whaler was with you. Goodbye, everyone.